It's 8 o'clock a.m. That sun's pretty bright. Not a cloud in the sky. But if you look at this grass, I don't think you can see it, but it's a lot of heavy dew on it. I thought the sun this morning and no clouds, I thought it would be dried out by now, but it's not. I don't think it's supposed to get very hot today. I think maybe 90 degrees. But you know, it's just been too wet to burn all this brush I have. Strange. Hadn't decided yet today, but thinking about running to Lowe's, pick up some concrete. If I don't pick up concrete, maybe I'll pick up some paint. Don't know. Boy, it sure is pretty out. Look how blue that sky is. Ah, there's some clouds there. Don't look like any rain today. But my left knee is a little bit stiff today. It's usually not stiff like that unless we're going to get some rain. Well, that's all I have for right now. Y'all can't see it, but let me walk down here. I'll show you. Yeah, you can almost see it from here. If I walk from here down to there, on the other side of that tree right there, there's a walking track. So I usually, if the grass is not wet, I just walk down through there, and then I can use the walking track. So that's where you're seeing me come from a lot of times. Well, y'all have a great day. I need to go take a shower before I get started.